Hello my dear children. Children, take out your phonics book and come to page number 5050. Our today's topic is double consonant with same sound. You will see double consonant but you will get the same sound. Our first sound is LL sound. LL together make sound. Now let's practice the sound by reading some words. All, ball. BALL, ball. All, doll. DOLL, doll. Well. WELL, well. All, wall. WALL, wall. Bull. BULL, bull. Our next sound is SS sound. SS together make sound, just like the sound of the letter S. Now let's learn the sound by reading some words. Glass, glass. GLASS, glass. Chess. CHESS, chess. Grass, grass. GRASS, grass. Class, class. CLASS, class. Now come to page number 51. More to do. Look at each picture and read its name. Then write LL or SS to complete the words. Children, in this page, we have to add the LL or SS at the end of the words. Now in the first picture, what do we see? We see a ball. In this spelling BALL, ball, we can see that the last two letters are LL. So, let us add LL to the rest of the words and see what words do they make. WA. If we add LL, it becomes wall. WALL, wall. Boo. If we add LL, it becomes bull. In the second picture, we can see a dress. DRESS, dress. In this spelling, we can see that the last two letters are SS. Let us add SS to the rest of the words and see what words do they make. Crow. If we add SS, it becomes cross. CROSS, cross. CHE, if we add SS, it becomes chess. In the third picture, we can see a well. WELL, well. In this spelling, we can see that the last two letters are LL. So let us add LL to the rest of the words. DOLL. It becomes doll. He. If we add LL, it becomes hill. HILL, hill. See the fourth picture. In the fourth picture, we can see a glass. Glass, glass. In this spelling, we can see that the last two letters are SS. Now let us add SS to the rest of the words. CLA, clap. If we add SS, it becomes class. Class. CLASS, class. GRA, gra. Gra. If we add SS, it becomes grass. Grass. GRASS, grass. Now come to page number 52. More to read. Now we are going to read. Read these words. Note the sounds of LL and SS. A red ball. Ball. In the word ball, we are getting the O sound. A glass of milk. In the word glass, we are getting the sound at the end. Glass. My new dress. Dress. In the word dress, we are getting the sound at the end. Flowers near a wall. Wall. In the word wall, we are getting the O sound at the end. Green grass. Grass. In the word grass, we are getting the sound at the end. A big bell. Bell. In the word bell, we are getting the O sound at the end. Now come to page number 53. More to do. Look at the pictures. Write words with LL or SS. So the first one has been done for you. Let us play chess. In this picture we can see that children are playing chess. In my dash. Now what do we see in the picture? We see that children are wearing uniform. They are sitting on the bench. We can see books on the table. So it's a classroom. So we will write here class. CLASS, class. In my class. A dash. What is this, children? Doll. DOLL, doll. A doll. A girl with a dash. Now see the picture, children. A girl with a ball. BALL, ball. A red dash. What is this, children? See the picture. Cross. CROSS, cross. A red cross. A bird on the dash. See the picture, children. Where is the bird? A bird on the wall. WALL, wall.